In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your site pages effectively using Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new page or decluttering, it's important to know your way around the platform. So let's dive right in and get started. Squarespace is a fantastic tool for creating and managing your websites, offering a range of customizable options for those who want a polished, professional appearance without necessarily having a deep background in web development. The first step in our process today is heading over to your Squarespace dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on your main dashboard, make sure you're on the home panel. You'll notice it on the left side of your screen. The next thing we want to do is navigate to the website category, which is also on the left-hand panel. When you've clicked on website, this will reveal a drop-down list of options you can explore for managing your site. For our purposes, we want to hone in on the Pages section, so go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you'll find a complete list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. You could think of this as the central hub for your site content. Now let's talk about making changes or resetting things, which is often necessary whether you're redesigning or just performing routine updates. Sometimes old pages become irrelevant or simply need to be refreshed. Squarespace makes it easy to manage these scenarios. If you need to delete a page, just find the page in your list. You'll see there's a settings wheel or an option beside each page. Click on that and you'll find a delete option. Confirm that you want to delete it and Squarespace will neatly remove the page from your site. It's as simple as that. Once you've navigated through these steps, you're all set. You've successfully managed your website pages on Squarespace with just a few simple clicks. Understanding these basics can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run, especially as your website grows and evolves. A well-organized page structure is key to delivering a smoother experience for your visitors and maintaining the professionalism of your brand. I hope this has been helpful in getting you more familiar with Squarespace page management. Remember, the more you explore and experiment, the more proficient you become at designing your ideal online space. Thanks for joining me and happy web designing.